Hello everyone. In this episode, I will show you how to use visual level conditional formatting in Power BI. This means you can use visual calculation to conditionally format column or measures. This feature is updated in Feb 2025 Power BI desktop version. If you are running an older version, please update to the Feb 2025 version. If you are not aware about the visual level calculation, please watch our video on visual level calculation. You will find the link in the description box. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. As this visual level calculation is under preview, so you need to enable it first. So from file, option and setting, and again I'll click on option. So in preview feature, if you will come down here, you will see the visual calculation. So on my Power BI desktop, it is already enabled. If on your desktop it is not enabled, you have to enable, click OK and restart the Power BI. So I'll click cancel because visual level calculation is already enabled on my Power BI desktop. So now I will add a one table here. And let me show you the data table also is a very small data table, the country, product, sales and expenses. So I will add all those columns. So first I will add a country, product, sum of sales and sum of expenses. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to calculate sum of expenses also. Going to calculate a profit. So I will right click on this visual and here you can see the option new visual calculation and I will click on custom. Okay. Now here I will calculate a profit. So what I'll say here, column name is a profit, and here I will say sum of sales minus sum of expenses. So you can see the profit is calculated actually. So I'll create a one more column here. So I'll say agent commission, agent com, and here I will say profit multiply by 2% of agent commission divided by 100. So here you can see the agent commission. Now I'll calculate a net profit. So I'll say net profit net profit. So what I'm going to do, I'll say profit minus agent commission. So three column I created via visual level calculation: profit, agent commission and net profit. Now I will conditionally format all these columns. So here you can see the column and just expand this and you will see the conditional formatting option. So first I will do the background. So the lowest value will be, and I will add a middle. So lowest value I'll say some this color and the middle value will be a yellow color and the highest value will be a green color. So I'll select a green color and click OK. So as you can see here, the profit column is conditionally formatted. Now for the agent commission, what I am going to do, I will say condition, I'll use a font. So the lowest color will be, again I will say lowest color will be a green. I will, so this is green color and the middle I will select a yellow and highest will select a red color. So as you can see, the lowest will be green The middle will be a slight yellow and highest will be red. Now net profit for, again I will click here and conditional formatting, and this time I'll choose a data bar or the icon. So here I will say only the positive, we have a positive value. So I'll select a light color and click OK. So you can see the data bar. Now let me go back and now let me zoom in and let me minimize this. So you can see the profit, the back conditional formatting, background color, agent commission, conditional formatting, font color, and net profit, the data bar. So this features is actually added in Feb 2025, as I mentioned earlier. So you have to update your Power BI if you want to enable these features. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.